Welcome back everyone. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Yes, it will be a cooking video, but this time I have shot video outdoors in my backyard, giving you a little sneak peek of my backyard and show you how we take full advantage of summers here in Canada, and we will definitely be getting a lot of use out of our backyard this summer. The flowers are at their peak right now, so I thought I would make this video a little bit different from my previous videos and share my happy little place with you. I'll try to make more videos outdoors this summer and take you along with me for campings, and we'll do barbecues together and share recipes. I'm so excited to share this video with you all, and if you like such kind of videos, then please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So without any delay, let's start marinating our chicken tikka. For this, we'll need 3 pounds of chicken breast cut into small pieces so they can be easily pushed onto the skewers. For marination, we'll need 1/4 cup of mustard oil, 1 cup of Greek yogurt or hunk curd, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix and then we'll start adding our spices. We'll start by adding salt first. Then add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of dry mango powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili for bright red color, a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give all the ingredients a mix and pour it over the chicken pieces. Evenly coat all the pieces of chicken, and to get the best flavor out of it, marinate it for overnight. While we do barbecue, my kids like to play on the trampoline. It's so much fun watching them playing, and my heart fills with gratitude. These small little things bring so much joy and uplifts my spirits. Now coming back to the recipe, let's start pushing the chicken pieces onto the skewer and cook them until they are done. You can also make this chicken tikka in an oven, but the flavor we get on fire pit is different from the one cooked in oven. Serve hot with green chutney, onion rings and lemon slices. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay safe.